Welcome, today in front of me TCL Top 10 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So let's just first open the settings application, and after that scroll down to the home screen and lock screen section. Then here click to the wallpapers, and now just we can see our device wallpapers folder with device wallpapers. Downloads, you can use them if you want, or also we can use the default wallpaper on our device. So let's use, for example, this one. We can see how it will be look on the lock and home screen. So then just click here to done, and now let's just check, and we can see that we just changed successfully our device lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by the second way. Just first you should hold for a while your device screen, and after that you'll see here the wallpaper section. Just click here once, and after that select by the same way one from these wallpapers. For example, let's use this download. Okay, you can just crop this photo if you want, so that's not so good here, so let's use the default one. So by just the same way, select here, select lock screen, tap to done to save the changes, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.